Okay, Om Mysore, Department of Physics. Today my topic is sem4, paper 4, unit 2, Magnetostatics. So first of all, state and explain the Biot-Savart law. So statement. So the magnetic induction due to current carrying conductor, CCC means current carrying conductor, is directly proportional to the current length of the small element dl, so sine of the angle, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance the point from the element is called Biot-Savart law statement. So Biot-Savart law is Biot-Savart defined as the statement. So this is the current carrying a conductor. So this is a current carrying conductor produced of a magnet in around area is called Biot-Savart law producing in a magnetic induction. So Biot-Savart law state that the current carrying a conductor, this current carrying a conductor produced around area of at any point. This produced in the Biot-Savart law. So Biot and Savart in scientists 1820 introduced in the this law. So first of all, let us consider AB wire. So this is the, let us consider AB wire. So E is a conductor carrying a current I. So this conductor carrying a current I. So current pass in I. Next, dl is the small element. So dl, so ABY total length L. Small element of length dl. Change in length. So that means dl. So dl is the small element. The distance between dl and p is r. So the distance between dl to p point distance r, and angle between, let theta is the angle between dl and r. So theta is the angle. So angle between the dl and r. So the magnetic induction due to dl in dv. So dl is dv. So this is the dl is dv. So dl, find out the dv at a point p. So this is the proof. So next, prove that in Biot-Savart law. So this statement, are you remembering? So the magnetic induction due to current carrying conductor is directly proportional to, so that means, so that means, so this statement, the magnetic induction indicates the dB. So dB, magnetic induction dB due to current carrying a conductor is directly proportional to the current I. So this is the equation number 1. Next, so dB is directly proportional to length of the small element dl. So length of the small element dl. So dB is directly proportional to length of the small element and sine of the angle. So dB directly proportional to sine angle. So this is the equation number 3. And dB is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So the square of the distance. So this is the equation number 4. So this is the statement. The magnetic induction is directly proportional to current, directly proportional to small element, directly proportional to angle of sine, inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So this is the statement. So next from 1 to equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that means dB directly proportional to IDL sin theta by r square. IDL sin theta by r square. Next, so dB equal mu naught by 4 pi. So mu naught by 4 pi means constant. Ideal remaining equation, ideal sin theta by r square. So this is the Biot-Savant statement. This is the Biot-Savant proved the statement. So mu naught by 4 pi value is 10 power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter or Henry per meter. So vector formation of Biot-Savant law, vector form of Biot-Savant law, dB equal mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square into r cap. So this is the vector formation of Biot law statement. So mu naught is the permittivity in free space of a magnetism. So mu naught means. Okay, thank you friends.